In this video, you'll learn how to copy a table in Notion. This process will allow you to duplicate existing tables for various uses within your workspace, making it easier to manage your data efficiently. Start by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look for a blank space within your workspace. It is important to have an area ready for the new database. Next, click on the blank space you identified. This action will allow you to begin creating a new element in your workspace. After clicking, type the word database into the space. This initiates the process of creating a database table. Once you see suggestions for database options, select Database in Pawns. This will create an inline database that appears directly within your current page, providing a seamless integration with your existing content. After creating the inline database, locate and click on Tasks Tracker. This is typically a pre-existing table in your Notion setup, and selecting it will allow you to access the content you want to duplicate. After that, look for the Get Started button and click on it. This step will guide you through the initial setup of your selected table, ensuring it is ready for duplication. Then click on Done to finalize the setup process. This confirmation is necessary to proceed with duplicating the table you have chosen. Next, find the 6 dots icon that represents the table's options. Clicking on this will reveal additional commands related to your database. Once the options are displayed, again, click on the 6 dots icon. This action will open a menu where you can choose to duplicate the table. Now select Duplicate from the menu that appears. This option will create a copy of the table within your workspace, allowing you to edit it as needed. Finally, click on Duplicate with Content. This choice ensures that not only the structure of the table is copied, but also all the data it contains. Your new table will now be ready for use.